Korean skincare set na below 1,000. Yun yung pinaka-purpose niya. Na parang, okay, Grace, yung favorite toner ko, 3,800. Yung favorite wash ko, 1,300. Yung favorite na ampule niya, 4,000. Favorite na cream niya, 6,800. Grace, not everyone, hindi lahat makakapag-try ng ganitong quality. Kasi imagine mo, magkano sweldo ng mga tao dito sa Pilipinas. Eh, kung kinumbine mo yung lahat, halos 15,000 na umaabot. So sabi ni Maria Grace, gusto mo talaga ma-experience ng mga Pinoy yung ganitong quality na Korean skincare, pero yung below 1,000, pero kompleto na. Para hindi na sila mag-isip from facial wash hanggang cream. So that's what we created, Vida. And then nung na-create namin yung Vida, ang daming reorder. Tapos ang daming mga customers namin, mag-release na kayo ng regular size kasi bili ako ng bili, parang every 3 weeks ako bumibili. So etong mini or travel size or your trial size natin, ito yung pang 4 weeks dapat, 1 month. 1 month po siya tumatagal. Actually, maraming nagtataka, talaga maglalast ito ng 1 month? Eh, yung cleanser mo sobrang liit, right? But you know, did you know this? Who used this? Who used Vida? Okay. Yung travel size. Iba kasi yung regular size, ibang kwento naman yan. Improved version. So, napansin nyo ba? Like 2 drops.
Yes.
You literally need like 2 drops and then when you foam it up, super foamy, diba? So, doon mo makikita talaga yung quality ng ingredient na to. Because, alam niyo maraming mga wash, mga facial wash na mumurahin, diba? Kahit marami kayo nilagay, hindi siya foamy. And then after mo mag-wash ng face, parang feeling mo may mga residue pa. Or, sa sobrang na-strip niyo yung pati yung natural oil ng skin mo, sobrang parang napabanat yung face, diba? So that's not what we want. In fact, masama po talaga sa ating kutis yung tinatanggal pati yung natural oils ng ating skin. Because yung natural oil ng skin natin, yun yung it actually acts as a protectant for our skin. So marami kasi sa mga Pinoy naniniwala na pag dry yung skin maganda kasi hindi mag-break out. In fact, pag sobrang dry yung skin, pag stripped of natural oils ang skin natin, mas nag-break out pa tayo. Because yung katawan natin matalino. So when the brain realizes na sobrang dry ng skin natin, what will it do? It will continue to produce more oil to balance the oil level. So, hindi rin maganda talaga ang sobrang dry. Hindi ibig sabihin ng dry skin, hindi mag-break out. No. You need to be hydrated and nourished all the time. Okay. Now, etong toner, ito talaga more than 4 weeks. For those of you who've used it, I don't think you can finish this in 4 weeks kasi ang laki niya. This is actually 50. Yung mga regular toners na nabibili niyo, it's 100 ml or some nga, 70-80 ml pa. So this one is travel size but big enough for you to use it for more than 4 weeks. This one also, you only really need 2 drops. 2 drops is all you need. Pag nagamit nyo to, hindi siya yung parang ibang ampule na kailangan madaming kailangan ilagay para maramdaman yung hydration niya. Ito, napansin nyo ba? 2 drops lang. It absorbs super quickly. I always tell people, ano ba yung telltale sign na maganda or preview ng isang Korean skincare? Yung bilis ng pag-absorb ng skincare sa inyong skin. So, napansin nyo ba ang mga mumurahing lotion? Pag pinahid mo siya, pahit, pumuputi lalo, hindi pumapasok. Right? Ang mapapansin nyo sa Vida po, the skincare absorbs quickly into your skin. Doon mo makikita, doon mo malalaman na micromolecular particles ang mga ingredients na ginamit po namin. Marami po kasi Korean factories na gumagamit ng iba't ibang famous Korean skincare ingredients. Now, saan nakakatalo? It's really the size of the particles. So, the smaller the particle size of your ingredient, the more expensive it becomes. Right? So, the bigger the particle, mas mura siya. Mas mura yung ingredient. Pag naging nano na siya, meaning mas maliit pa sa pores natin, yun po yung mahal. Nagmamahal na po yung ingredients natin. Yung pinaka-supply price po niya. This cream, bitin na bitin po tayo sa cream na to, di ba? Pero, you know, this cream, if you look at it, it actually indicates that it actually has 15 grams. Pero ang nilagay po talaga namin dito, 20. It's just indicated na 15. Pero siniksik po talaga namin. So in fact, when you actually take it out and weigh it, 20 grams. This cream also same. You don't need a lot. You really need like 2 small applications and then you just spread it all over and it spreads so nicely. Again, I think Vida set became our entryway para ma-appreciate ng mga tao ang quality Korean skincare.